izule obvious nami usuqhaqela Movies yayona umbrella i-podcast enothando labantu thanda nokwazi ngohambo labantu hamba ngefaith futhi ayihambi ngeside kodwa mekumnyama iyayifaka nelight.
Another week, another exciting episode of the Creatives Unplugged podcast. Niyazi ke masesifikile ngisuke ngingahambi ngedwa iChild Africa.
What's up, everybody? My name is iChild Africa. Welcome to another awesome episode of the Creative Unplugged podcast.
Sister of the show.
Of the show.
Lazi niyazi ukuthi mase sikhona hlale hleli nama creative.
Unplugged, I'm a creative.
Hleli nama creative. Alright, kodwa sister of the show.
Right, mfethu wena?
Yeah, ngiright. Ikhamba kanjani? Ngiyabona ngena uDecember manje.
Ngena uDecember manje. Isa cruiser manje. Cruising nicely.
Yes.
Yeah.
Ubhizi kanje?
Asithini nje abantu ababheke lapha na ko Spotify ko Apple kanje ya khona i-surprise khona i-surprise and uyazi ku December ke ukuthi agage ukuthi kanjani.
That's nice. So it's surprise njenge guest esinayo namhlanje.
Yeah.
Surprise kodwa manje bazoyibona live.
Wena up to in wena qala ke.
Hey, kunzima. No kuningi kade sikwenza ngeke ngavashela indawo eziningi. I remember emasontweni adlule besiwe conference lapha yaseMangosuthu. Sihamba neABM bekwe conference ebe nice nje engagement with ama stakeholders bekhona abantu from different radios ukukhulisa nje abantu abasha ngeinformation. Kuningi nje kade kwenzeka bekune birthday futhi ka bayamazi wayifundisa lapha eMgaga High School ubaba uVuma Mfeka besike birthday celebration ya Mr Vuma Mfeka ube ugoalkeeper wamaZulu kudala. So yonke into ibe right nje bekwamasonto busy. Kuyale si movie yasminda besi invited ngumhliko ngikhona qathatha. But I can't wait ukuthi si introduce guests.
I can't wait guys.
Hey ngoba abanye abantu basuka kude madoda. Kumele lesayikhathi leziyana.
Yeah.
So namhlanje siniphethele a singer, an artist, a musician, a writer, a composer. Hey, umuntu wa break record lapha sekubuka kuthiwa hayibuku. Ama season amangaka busy uyokuthiwa abantu besilisa.
Wavela bathi.
Okay, help me guys. Let's all welcome Unoma.
Siyaphila njani?
Siyabonga. You look beautiful.
Yo, siyabamukela the Creatives Unplugged podcast.
Ngiyajabula ukuba la.
Phela ngikhuluma ngalo wamzuzu lo le moment esasibuka si South Africa izwe lonke lapha kuma idols. Owasekuthiwa sekuvalwe ngehlahla la abantu besilisa kuphela abawinayo. Kwawunoma after I think after 7 or 8 episodes.
7 seasons.
Oh,
7 mayphelele.
How much?
Number of completion.
Okay.
Number of completion.
And on your profile I saw that clip. Ngifuna sithathe lo mzuzu lo on the podcast sibavezela abantu ukuthi masikhuluma ngoNoma mhlawumbe bazokhumbula ukuthi sikhuluma ngoba. Enjoy.
The winner of South African Idols Season 12 is Noma! Ladies and gentlemen, your Season 12 winner, Noma.
Siyabonga. Nice. That was amazing. Wafila kanjani nje sekuthiwa Noma?
Hayibo, to be honest angikhumbuli ukuthi ngeke ngezwe kuthiwa Noma. All I heard was let's cue the next song because we had in-ears at the time.
Oh.
So you can't hear the audience. It also helps with the nerves because you
Oh,
can't hear the
yes.
audience, but you can hear what's happening backstage.
Oh,
I think
wow.
only when they started hugging me did I feel good. Hey, bo,
Hey, bo.
kanti kunemi
ububheke phansi kuloyo mzuzu
Yo,
laphayana.
ukusaba. Yazi uvalo. Phambi kwabantu.
That's actually wild ukuthi awusuke ungayizwi crowd usuke uzwa nje
Yeah.
Ukuyizwa into mangabe ungena kwi-swimming pool noma ebhavini.
Yeah.
Uma ufaka ikhanda lonke emanzini and you can't hear. You can hear ukuthi there's noises, you can hear talking, but
Yeah.
you can't hear what they're saying.
Yeah.
So I had that experience.
Wow.
Yeah. Osomizi begxuma laphana.
You brought it back to KZN.
Yeah, I brought it back to KZN.
Like in this moment, in this time right now, please let everyone know ukuthi masikhuluma ngoNoma, sikhuluma ngobani osuka kephi nendawo, ngingabona ukuthi umkhaya lapha ko PMB.
Yeah, no,
Yeah.
ngumkhaya ngihlala PMB. I'm
Yes.
from PMB. From KZN. I'm a woman who has ventured into business as well outside
nice.
of the creative space.
Yeah.
But I'm coming back now to my creative space and
Oh, that's nice.
I'm coming back to my first love, which is music.
Yeah. So mawukhula lapha PMB ufunda kephi nendawo? Lower primary.
Ironically
Shandis.
enough, I went to Maritzburg Christian School
Oh,
in
nice.
high school.
Yes.
So when I went to that school in high school, the school offered me a position to come and work there.
Yeah.
If should I wish to, I was head girl
nice.
there. Listen to the high school or head girl.
Hamba nje usumnandi.
Yeah. So I went to high school there, and then I ventured off to teaching in UNISA.
Oh, nice. So khona laphana esikoleni musuqalile ucula, maybe joining a school choir or doing your own music during the sikhathi.
Yeah, no, music kulesa skole yayiphethwe yimina.
Oh,
So
okay.
I was head of the music department at the time. So anything that had to do with music, whether it's sound or whether it was choirs or
Yeah.
worship, because that school's a Christian school and
Yes.
it focuses on Christian values.
Yeah.
So you had to teach and have worship and sing for the kids twice a week. So I was very active musically,
Nice.
and that school also gained a lot of traction with my time with them, just purely on preaching
Yeah.
and talking about music.
Yeah.
Wow.
I saw that you guys also had a choir there.
We do. We still have the choir there. They still have the choir there.
Nice. Yeah.
It's beautiful to see ukuthi umsebenzi wawuqala usaqhubeka namanje.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the choir, maybe nishaya ama notes, ngenela ama competition, or it was just a school choir.
It's a school
to motivate
choir.
each other.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
a school choir. I mean, bahambe bahlangane njengey'kole zibe nemicimbi
Yes,
yakhona and
yes.
bahlangane babe no gospel choir evening and things like that.
Yeah.
In Peter Maritzburg, which is a well attended by Maritzburg citizens. It's a very good show because you allow ingane ngaduma khona. Kuthiwa, "Hey, le ntombazane le eculayo eMaritzburg
Hey,
Christian
wonke umuntu
School."
uqala ukuduma esikoleni.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so yeah, it's nice that there's still school programs that support creatives like
Yeah.
us.
But most uyabheka with this career or loving music, iqale kephi ekhaya? Like belikhona leyo nto, khona ke wacula ekhaya. How was like the support at home?
Our family is the type of family that likes to pray.
Yeah.
So we once a night, or it depends ukuthi mangabe abazali bakuyimood enjani, but bayasikhalisa phansi njengey'ngane sikhuleke.
Yeah.
And my dad would start a song, my mom, you'd hear her humming to his tune. Now fanele uthole indlela yokungena so that we all sound like ichoir
Yes.
ekhaya, and it's cute.
Nice.
So we do that every now and then. But nje ukucula nje into engayiqala ngina 6 years. Ngazi ukuthi mina ngihambe esontweni.
Kusho ukuthi ungawini phela lapho.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Begcina
yeah.
kaba i-primary only, or it was ne high school lapha eMaritzburg?
Sure, mina ngingane angithi nje KZN has been a home for me. Primarily because ngazalelwa eMpangeni.
Oh.
Ngakhuliswa eLundi.
Ha.
Ngakhuliswa kaCeza. Ngakhuliswa le endaweni ekuthiwa iseLowsburg.
Yo.
Kodwa thina sithi eNgoje angazi ke ngoba abanye bazocabanga ezinye izinto, but indawo ekuthiwa iseNgoje.
Yeah.
And then I grew up Bulwa, and then from
Yeah.
Bulwa it was Peter Maritzburg.
Yes.
So I've really had a home in KZN.
Yes.
Yeah. So I grew up all over KZN. Angeke ngithi ukuthi nje I'm not from Ulundi. No,
Yeah.
I'm from Ulundi. Angeke ngithi angikho umuntu angisuku eMpangeni.
Yeah,
Ngimami
wasompa-
ngasempangeni. So Yeah, KZN's been my home.
Sesiyathola ukuthi wawina kanjani ubunabantu endaweni eziningi ehlukahlukene. Support all over kahle kahle. Ngiyakubona nawe a child like with the primary yakho ufunde mhlawumbe kuma primary amangaki?
7.
Oh, 7.
7 primary.
7 primary.
Yeah, it was hectic.
Awu4 mina angafiki.
Cabanga guys. Yeah.
Wawenze nje kuze be7.
Buka ke yabona.
It's a number of completion, what can I say? But uma wena ukudinwa nje bethi nje ucika uthisha nje. Engipause.
Yeah.
I think experience yethu masikhula kunezinto empilweni obekelwe zona osungazi ukuthi izokwenzeka ngempela empilweni yakho and then uyithole kwenzeka kanjalo ukhulele kuma provinces ahlukahlukene ukhulele kuma township ahlukahlukene ngeke ubone nami leyo nto yenzeka kumina nje mina ama letujana ama section ngeke ngahlala ka A angahlala ka BB ngangahlala ka J manje sengihlala ka K uyayibona so ngikhule emlazi almost ama section amaningi ngaze ngabhalela ngoma ama direction because bengiphuma kuona lawo ama section vele yayibona and leyo nto isikhulise sabuka mhlawumbe ukuphila ngenye indlela because manje sikhula nama communities ahlukahlukene nabantu abasikhulisa abahlukile you know
it affords you the opportunity to look at the world from someone else's lens.
Yes,
I don't think we do that as much as we do
adaptability
and with judgment. We don't take the time to understand ukuthi hey mengike ngabuka umhlaba ngendlela lo muntu akhule ngayo nangaleliso maybe we would have been kinder. Sesilahlekelwa ubuntu bethu kulesikhathi.
That's very true.
Yo kufana nokutravel ninake sinike nathi everywhere so usegoli wenza ezinye izinto uphumile kwi comfort zone yakho kuba sekhaya eKZN
Izulu sikhuluma nomuntu izulu uthi
yo
it was fun. Surprisingly, as fun.
As fun. Endaweni eziningi nje. Nana eKZN as fun isizulu.
igodi.
Kunegodi nendawo ngendlela ehluke ngakhona language it's amazing. So waqeda ke esikoleni lapho waya kumabanga phezulu tertiary college ikhona into eyenzakalile empilweni yakhe kanjani?
I did UNISA.
Oh nice.
And now I'm venturing into something else.
Okay.
But we'll keep it under wraps for now because I haven't been accepted yet.
Okay.
My application's still pending.
Okay.
All right.
Good
I
luck.
want to study law.
Oh, okay.
Nice.
So what's safe for my
imfundo kuthiwa imfundo ekhulelwe.
Siyadinga ngempela ukuthi si understand.
Kakhulu,
Okay.
A lot of us are signing our lives away.
So you want to venture more into like
industry law.
Oh nice. Nice.
So ufuna ukwazi nje ukuthi mase ususetertiary ikephi la wavela wa apply khona noma wangenela ama idols usukephi nempilo ngalesikhathi kwenzeka le yanto empilweni yakho?
I was doing my third year.
Yeah.
I was doing my third year in UNISA.
So
and
ubona ku social media ukuthi okay if you want to become an idol please apply kanje awusitshele nje leyo moment ungenela
bama idols anento yokuthi Mzansi Magic uyathanda advertise asho ukuthi hey usuku oluthize kuzoba nama auditions and you see these flashbacks of ama cues. I don't want to lie, I was never somebody who thought I would even dream of going to something like that. But the moment ingane esikoleni zangikhuthaza I went a first time. I failed the first time. And they said I didn't have TV personality.
All right.
The reimagine will corner, but
the voice is there. You don't have
personality. That thing.
So I took that criticism and I went back home and I said, let it be constructive and let it groom me to be better. So let me be a better musician. Then I started applying myself. Into engizenzayo nami emsebenzini ngiyasebenza yes ngiyamaka ngalana ngisetha ama test ngalana ngiyafundisa ngala and on top of that I must still do music programs. On top of that I must still groom myself as a creative. And I thought let me try again. But the kids honestly I think I was touched. Mangabe ingane uyifundisa zithi siyakuzwa mangabe uthi hayi ufuna sikhulume ngeindaba zokuthi accomplish ama goals. There's
Yeah.
goal settings. You have to teach them ukuthi kumele uhlale phansi wenze vision board, then do a goal setting. Love my activities, but akusitshengise wena in real time. I said, yo, what a challenge.
Yeah,
Lead by
man.
example.
Lead by example, yes.
Yes.
But I won't lie, the support I got, the video calls from class when it's my session, and
Oh.
bona umuntu ongigadelayo ingane ukuthi hey sisi ngiyabonga for taking over. But it was an incredible journey, I don't want to lie. with the
Lapha
support.
you were there maybe for some time. Ekhathi yenzeka le niyabizwa kokuqala nitshela ukuthi sen qualified, you have to come. So iba kanjani process? You get the phone call, bakubize.
Telephone call ukuthi
Yeah.
by the time you're done with top 4 judges, you
Yeah.
already know if you're going to the next round.
Okay.
Because you either get the golden ticket or you don't.
Yeah.
But I think when it comes to our top 36 Kanje, where they take us all on a bus and then they say that bus must turn back to the airport. Hey,
Yo.
we had that whole session. It was
Yo.
hey. Ube nama nerves ukuthi I hope I'm on the right bus.
Yeah.
You know, but tell ukuthi usibani bana angene kuleli, usibani bana angene kuleli, nosibani bana
Abanye
angene.
usuthathiwe usubona ibhasi sishona le airport.
Imagine, try ibuyele. Mind you, we're on a bridge. We're all going the same direction.
Yeah.
But khona ibhasi eliyi-1 elehlayo lithi libuyela freeway thina siyaqhubeka, which is quite nice.
Yeah.
It gets your kuthiwa yini lento leni adrenaline going,
Pumping.
yeah. But it was a cool experience because you get there and then it's top 36 and then the public decides ukuthi talent lakho liyalikhulumela noma lizikhulumela.
Yo.
So ngiyabona ukuthi okay, you went to a Christian school, right? And you I see because you're upholding a lot of Christian values. How did that help with your journey? Because that journey is not easy. Ungena nami nganga auditional adults.
Ngempela,
Ngangene.
what was your experience?
Ngabona ukuthi angifuni ukukhuluma kakhulu but
Yeah.
ngabona ukuthi aw khona le khona le segment yokuqala ne
Yeah.
kufike ujudge abantu abangabona the actual
The actual
judges, right?
the vocal coaches.
Yes. Mina into yami ithi pho laba ama-wooden mic afika kanjani laphayana?
Ngiyakuzwa. Angithi uyazi ukuthi kune wooden mic. Khona abantu ngempela bafethu abayitshela.
Hey, ngicela ningitshele umhliko. Ayimo ngitshela umhliko.
Ukuthi awukwazi
Yo.
ufika uhleke, imagine.
Yeah, man.
And this person really believes.
They really do, right?
So because this is TV mfethu,
Kumele
they
phela
have
khona
to
ama-numbers.
allow the ones that believe
So
through.
mina qiyeka kodwa ufuna amanga.
Kodwa misikhuluma iqiniso, so they have a whole segment dedicated to just the wooden mic. They even have an award.
Yeah.
For
Hey,
wooden
The best
plan,
wooden
the
mic.
wooden
Best wooden
mic.
mic. Yeah.
Iplan ngiyibone.
Yeah.
That's what the woodeng.
So ngicela ngqondo lapha ufuna amanga, but then okay, back to the question ukuthi how does being Christian, how did it help you to face storms?
To be honest, that environment, it's very competitive. You know, you've got
Yes.
people from different backgrounds, different cultural beliefs.
Yeah.
So it was not an easy journey because you also fighting spiritual battles that you cannot
Yeah.
see. You know, it's things you can't even begin to explain to someone.
Yeah.
Uzothi umuntu usaba ukuthi uyothini umuntu bengabe uthi ukhuluma lento wayibona wayifica. But it mattered to me that I kept my faith and I kept my promise to uNkulunkulu, which was to inspire abantu and to let them know that it's never too late ukujahana nephupho lakho. Because things can happen.
We have actually a song like Ipupo by Creators Unplugged.
Really?
A single, yeah. We have
Yeah.
a whole EP loading. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
Featuring Emza,
And
Khawule
Ntombi.
Ntombi, Red Lights Choir
It's currently like on rotation nje on
on radio.
so
Yeah, so yeah,
I'm
into
gonna look
ikhuluma
out for
ngayo
that.
nje. Into ikhuluma ngayo. But ngiqamba mina kwangiqeda ukukholwa banje idols, but yeah, I think wonke umuntu wonke umuntu obizele into yakhe, and congratulations ukuthi ukwazile ukuthi
Thank you.
uyimbokodo
Thank you.
ugawule nje yonke into phambi kwakho uzo. Yeah, okay. So now ngiyeza ukuthi you are coming back. Meaning you had a break.
I took a break. Yes.
Why?
Remember, I did share with you guys that there's a part of me that wants to become a lawyer because I want to understand things I'm signing.
Yes.
Creatives sign their lives away,
Yeah.
and we don't even realize we're doing that. You think, oh, I'm gonna be signed under such and such label. They're
Yeah.
gonna take care of everything, and that's not what it means. You know, we forget that snip talent, but the talent we need to speak business in order. Do you get what I'm saying?
Yes, big
So it's been a tough journey for me because I had to adapt. It's a different lifestyle to what I'm used to. It's different challenges. It's social media bullying.
Yeah.
It's already you're trying to network yourself and find your feet in a completely new industry.
Yeah.
You know, it's like njengamanje sesifuna ukwenza import export, you still have to go back to uyofundisa ukuthi kahle izinto la ekhaya zenziwa kanjani. And people don't understand that as a creative you're doing that, but thina ngoba sesign ama contract you're expecting labels to do it for you.
Yeah.
And then they don't do it, and then it's a problem. Now you have to sit and wait your contract out, and you have to sit, you know, it was contractual obligations.
Yeah.
And the emotional and mental effects that had on me, that's the reason why I decided, let me take a break. Took a break because of social media bullying.
Let's get into that. Let's get into that. See,
I
like social media. I feel like social media has desensitized us to, from being humans anymore. It's like umuntu into ngeke uzisho phambi kwakhe kanje usukwazi ukisho na social media mhlambe thola ukuthi umuntu uthi wena unje kodwa wena mhlambe uhleli wena kini awusebenzi awenzi lutho kodwa busy wena umuntu osebenzayo umuntu ozamayo. So how has that been like experience for you?
It hasn't been nice because, you know, when you even do your own research now as a person, as a profile, it's once you're on any social media platform, whatever you post is public knowledge, whether that works to your favor or not to your favor.
Yeah.
But I won't lie, it's been challenging because I can't control what comes out of another human's mouth.
Yeah.
I'm not the type of human being who would speak ugly ngabanye abantu.
Yeah.
I'm not that person. And hey, country will have you stepping out of your character. But hey, yeah, so social media is quite hard because they forget to go to, just because I'm a creative and just because I'm promoting my work and you know, I go to just like you. I still have family. I still have my own interests.
Feelings.
I still have feelings. Yeah. So we've taken this whole freedom of speech to a whole other level. And we've desensitized being respectful, and we've lost ubuntu.
And I also feel like if freedom, all the freedoms that we have, freedom of speech, freedom of expression, every single type of freedom has a responsibility that it does not affect another human being. And I feel like as our fundis in the same manner that we were taught, says hakulu freedom or ilokunjana power comes with responsibility yokuthi ingamhate omunye umuntu. So I feel like I see.
But have you not noticed that we live in a culture where accountability and taking responsibility is something that's so foreign?
That's nje umuntu uyambulala nje.
Ngathi umuntu uyamthuka ngeqiniso. But yeah, I guess
njengoba uchaza ukuthi ubuntu thina phela thina as abantu abamnyama abantu ubuntu is to uyifaka icathulo omunye umuntu uzizwe uyibone wena uphakathi kwase isicathulo, but manje it's like nje dog eat dog world
because awuyilutho ngaphandle komunye umuntu ngabantu.
Yeah. So then obviously manje sekusese digital age khona ama trends
Yeah.
And in order to be an artist kumele ukwazi ukuthi uhlezi nje on top of your game. So njengoba usubuya ke manje how do you plan on getting back to your role as an artist, and how are you planning to present yourself to the public, and how are you gonna like attack also the social media vibe like when the CC ingene manje as a ish in the 90s?
Yeah. Thina phela siphila kule enye age le ukuthi nje nasekhaya ukhulisiwe ukuthi nje awukhulumi noma kanjani. But I guess asikhuliswanga ngokufana, asifani sonke, but you know, freedom of speech does not mean at the expense of someone else's. Can't wonke umuntu namalungelo, but uncindezela umuntu oyedwa. But anyway, back to your question. What was your question?
But how are you approaching your music?
My music.
Yes,
Right now,
this time.
Right now, yes.
Right now, I'm back to music. I'm excited. Long time coming.
Yeah.
A friend of mine, Joy, has been pushing me to, get back at music. Kuyamazi Joy.
Oh,
Yeah.
joy.
And she...
Eleni activist le.
Hey, Kawe. Mbogodo,
Eh.
she introduced me to a gentleman called Pyramid. And Pyramid was playing his music at the time, and he said, hey, let's do it. And I said, when? Because I didn't like this whole thing to my artist.
Yeah, so
we don't like working with each other as
Yeah.
creatives. And we got into studio and we just came up with this collaborative single called Kamduze.
Nice.
And it's doing magic. I'm so in love with the idea of me back in studio and singing again. It's healing me in so many ways. And I'm just hoping that the public will also receive it with the same energy that we're feeling right now.
Can't wait to hear it.
Ngizwile. I love the
Okay.
song.
Yeah.
Yes, ngizwile ingoma. And mangithi ngiyabheka khona namanye ama-artist okuwasebenza nawo and ngeke ngakubona ushaya nenye collaboration with umama uSibongile. How was that
Sibongile Khumalo.
journey?
Oh man, my mother. I love her. She, I think, caught me at where I was very vulnerable to this industry. I was just new to, labels and etc.
Yeah.
And the whole lifestyle, and her words still ring in my mind.
Yes.
Just how to handle media and how to, position yourself and not lose sight of who you are.
Yeah.
And those words have really stuck with me. She introduced me to jazz. And a lot of my music now, especially if you hear me live, I've come to know that my audience loves hearing me sing live.
Yes.
And nakhona futhi kuyangiphilisa. So I've learned a lot from Umam Sibongile.
Yeah. You have your own band. Abantu
I
kuba.
do.
Yes.
I do.
Okay.
I've been with them for so many years.
Wow.
Abundu have been so special to me. And they mean so much to me, my band. And
Nice.
sazoqhubeka sisebenze futhi. Yeah.
And obani abanye ngiyeza sikhuluma ngomama uSibongile Khumalo abanye osuke wasebenza nabo wathi nje no ngibe ne-experience ukusebenzisana nalabantu and bangisizile empilweni yami ngafunda ukuthize abakhona abantu abakanjalo abanye.
Sure. I'm a person ofundisekayo. It doesn't matter what space I'm in. Even if we were sitting in a podcast setting.
Yes.
If somebody said, hey, Norma, I love that. I love constructive
that's
feedback.
nice, yes.
So I've worked with a lot of people.
Yeah.
From your sketchy bongos to
Wow.
your Mongi Ngobos to Osjava, Osjava, Mzuli. I've even crossed over to Maskandi Gangani. So I've really gone quite far. I've worked with a lot of people.
Yeah.
Currently now I'm working with Pyramid.
Oh, nice.
And we have a
Yes.
collaborative song called Come Duze, which I'm so excited about.
Yeah. Cabanga mosho sketchy bongo.
Yeah.
I'm a
Usho
legend.
Java.
Java, oh man,
Omzulu.
Yeah.
Ayi cha ngeke sekusebenzi umzukulu noma
Yeah.
umzukulu. Shuthi nje ama classic wonke nje ama classic.
Oh, I'm hoping. I can't wait for you guys to hear our album that's going to come out.
Okay, there's an
First-
album.
Yeah, within the first few months of the year.
Okay,
Oh,
who's on the production? Tell us more about that.
Oh, am I allowed to share the production? Okay, so we're working with Nyamazu Dust.
Yeah.
Okay.
This episode is
That's
coming
the
out.
record.
This episode is coming out.
Upumile.
It's coming out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm working with him, XYs, and a couple of others. I'm
My
not
ghost.
gonna disclose at the moment, but
Okay.
we're super excited because
Oh,
now
nice.
I'm expanding my twaini,
The horizons.
my horizons.
Horizons.
I really want to grow as a musician, and I'm thankful for the
Yeah.
collaborations I've got.
I assume you have like the team of PR. Team manje ngiyazi phela masenikabuka nina.
Fanele
Niyahloma.
uvuke ne-team. I do have a team,
Yeah.
and I'm so blessed to
Yes.
have her and Cindy.
Oh yes.
Cindy's been such a light. She's so beautiful. I love her
Yes.
soul. I love how she just takes care of our brands.
Yeah.
Small Pyramid. So we're excited. Yeah,
Nice.
she's doing our PR.
Yeah.
Speaking about horizons, I saw what's Wale, UK,
Okay.
Queens.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So before the Idols seasons, I was somebody who performed at the Queen's, the late Queen,
Elizabeth.
Queen Elizabeth,
Oh, okay.
Wow.
60th Diamond Jubilee,
Wow.
which was exciting. We also entered a choir festival at the time because it was during my choral years. And we performed as a high school choir against university choirs in a choir competition. I think it's called Eisteddfod Llangochen. It's international choir competition, and we came second in the world. We
Wow.
lost to
Second in
Singapore.
the world.
We lost.
Representing SA, of course.
So we do have international under the belt,
Yeah.
but we're hoping that we'll grow bigger to bigger horizons.
Yeah. Bruh, I love your spirit. Yazi nje khona lento khona namhlanje la. Yo, that's nice. That's nice. And ijourney yakho nje ngicabanga ukuthi baningi abantu ababukele kuwena kakhulukazi KZN nje busho ukuthi wathi ubuya usuwinile laphana wawulindwe ngasekhaya wathi mawehla airport. Tell us more about that experience.
Sure. Asiqale nje ngokusuka e-OR Tambo ukuthi it was a mission and a half just to get me on the plane.
Yeah.
They had to board the whole plane and then put me on last because of the commotion that was going on at the airport.
Manje ithi nje leyo nto cabanga.
Mina angijwayele le nto. Can you
Hey,
imagine from someone who's used to just standing in front
Wafike
of
uyihambela nje
iy'ngane?
the first time.
Ngafika
Usuyabuya
ngithi ngiyangena
nje
nge-airport,
akusangeneki.
Boo.
Ma.
Athi ha.
Hey, power. Power
Anyway,
lento njani.
So we got to Peter Maritzburg. It's a tiny airport.
Yeah.
Ngifika laphana, the school sent out a school bus. I was greeted by the kids I was teaching. It was so beautiful. And then you
I
had
remember seeing
a lot of people from Maritzburg as well that were there. So it was very nice. Athola ke convoy escort ngemoto nami ngahanja ngo-blue light.
Blue light.
Kumnandi ukuthi hey.
Kuhluka endleleni.
Yeah, it was nice. It was nice to be welcomed and appreciated by Peter Maritzburg and KZN as a whole.
Nice. And then you become this wonderful artist esilithandayo KZN and namhlanje with Pyramid nisazositshengisa something.
Hey!
Nizosiperformela today.
We're gonna perform today. We're gonna perform today.
Yeah. The nice beautiful classic song. Awuzoyizwa mfana.
Hayi angijahuyizwa.
Manje ngifuna ukuthola ke la before we wrap up the show ukuthi ngizwile ukhuluma ngekhampani. Ikhampani yakho yenzani?
So I have a company called Essence of Her. And
Yeah.
It's something that we've started to appreciate abantu besifazane. It's currently we have a program that's based on helping young girls navigate through their teenage years. I don't know if you've seen the high statistics of rape and abuse in our country, as well as inganes love eskoleni because they can't afford to buy a pad or they can't afford to do just basic hygiene tips for kids. So there's a program that we're currently running that assists with educating. So it's all things life education, but also sexual education, social ills education that we're focusing on.
Yeah, that's powerful.
Yeah.
That's very strong. Recently, I child went an event on the 30th of November. Tell us more.
Tell us about it, please.
So on the 30th of November, we had an event called the Sablani Africa.
Okay.
For the 16 days of activism against women and child abuse.
Yes.
And basically just having activations of having like a roundtable discussion with women.
Sure.
Which happened on the 23rd of November is in Bali, and then we had a self-defense class on the 29th. And then on the 30th we had a panel discussion. Abantu nje abayo lokunjani abawonqondo ngqondo balezi lumkhakha lo, and then obviously later on I had a live recording of a live band, and for the same cause.
I missed that. I wish I was there. I really wish I was there. I would have enjoyed.
No, I'm sure you would have enjoyed.
Yeah.
Like Gitola the spirit,
activism. Fortunately, it's not the same. It's not the first time we're in an active role, right? In the industry as well. Should we go there? No, we actually, this is not the only active role she's played, especially in the industry.
Okay.
You're also part of SIFSA, you're advocating for artists, and I think I was the head of the performance sector.
Yeah,
and the eThekwini, and you were the actual provincial, right?
Yeah, I'm within the provincial structure, so provincial deputy Nobala. For USIFSA, which is the Cultural and Creative Industries Federation of South Africa. And Joy Mbiwane is the president of it. It's been a privilege. Yes. Chairperson Wamudizo.
Yes, chairperson.
Yeah, he's the provincial chair. And our office reports to national and national cabinet. And vice versa.
Nilapha Music House.
We are at Music House KZN, yes.
So lento yakho khulula bathi usufuna uyifaka nje ngestembu selo manje uthi nje.
Fanele ngithi nje so that we know.
So
I think we don't have enough power in fighting for ourselves, but when we come together and we're united, a lot gets done and heard.
I mean, I'm very excited because you're gonna be a lawyer, so that I don't have to go queue for certification.
Lalela, send it to me.
Certify go in a man.
I'll proofread now.
Ngiyayibona nje lento excited ngayo usufuna ukudala ama ghost la.
Go certify man.
Yeah, no, but I'm excited about that chapter.
Yeah. That's very exciting. Noma, thank you very much.
Thank you guys
for coming through and sikwazi ukuhlala nawe kanjena. Yeah, so imessage yakho mhlawumbe kubantu abasha abakhulayo abathanda music ungathi nje kubona today.
My message has been the same and still is the same. It's never too late to go out there and accomplish your dreams. Even if you take a little break. It's never too late.
Nice. iChart Africa.
Hayi mina nje ngijabulele nje.
Uyijabulele?
Yeah, sipholele.
Ngine plan la ngicabanga ukuthi sibize ubhudi uPyramid. Kukhona la today mhlawumbe umnika ichance naye athi ukuphefumula siza ukuthi because indoda siyenza into eziningi kumkhakha nje engikwazi omunye wama podcast okukhuluma ngezinto zesintu nakho namanje usemculweni umuntu obuya kwi production nje sithole ngaye mo nangale ngoma enhle kangaka eniplanile neniyenzayo. So ngicela nje sibonge kakhulu kusisiloba ngikukhulu ihlobo. Thank you very much. And then see welcome Pyramid. Siyabonga. Awihlalo siyarawunda.
Yes man.
Yabona ngoba masuhlala ehlaleni erawunda khona into esuke izongena. Okunake lesi sinormal usuke usacela usuke usabhekile ukuthi hey kwenzakalani. Once wahlala kulesi sirawundayo. Seyaloku. Khona into ezoluka. Sekwamukela Pyramid siyakwamukela Mr. Plus Rice Buff.
Ngiyaphila bafethu.
Ayi siyajabula. Yes.
Mnandi.
Mhlawumbe nje kubantu abasibukele nje bade sikhuluma noNoma and then manje usuhleli kulehlalo sifuna ukuthi ubazise ukuthi uPyramid ubani usuka ke nendawo.
Okay, uPyramid usizwe ozalwa indoda kaBloss.
Yes.
Bese umakho akamthethwa. Biza ke isibongo sakaMthethwa ngoba baba akaza ayigcini imfanelo zakhe. So masigcina sengisala ekhabo mama but kumnandi ekhabo mama, you know, that's where I think
sikanjalo
mina ngiyamfisa umuntu waya kube buye ekhabo mama ngoba idlozi la khona li strong kakhulu.
Sikwanjalo nje nami ngilapho
so ngiyaphileka khona because sibiza ngamagama athile kodwa asihlupheki. Ngeke ufike uhluphe umlanjwa
lohluphe. Hey usuphuma ebukhosini ngala komthetho.
Mina mfethu ogodongwana. Uyabona nama ngiqhamuka yabona hayi cha hayi ayemntoma nomthathe nomkhatshana.
Nisuka kusiphi isigodi ukhuleleke
mina
nendawo?
Suke eDumbe mfethu ePort Elizabeth. Ekhanje kulapha eMangosuthu.
Okay.
La esakhe khona manje.
Yes, wakhulela khona wafunda amabanga phansi naphezulu nje
uqala. Uyazi ke fana mina angihlala kakhulu emakhaya.
Alright.
Bengiya nje ngibuye ikhali kumanje sengibusy khona emakhaya. But nje ngikhulele la eMeville eKhetho Crest la eKhetho la ngikhulele khona. Mabanga phansi. Bathi semkhumbane. Mabanga phansi ngafunde khona. Ngaze ngaphuma esikoleni.
Nice. So umusic uqala kanjani? Kuphi kufike iqala kuwena umusic noma ukuhlaziya ngezinto zemedia ze production ikuphi kufike iqala?
No, mina ngiqale ngenza umusic. Now ngwenza ngingawuthandi. angithi akhumbula kuqala ukuthi ezikoleni kwakuthiwa hey sonke ziyekhwayeni
Yeah.
ngesikhathi somculo
Yes.
ngisho ngathi uyabaleka kuthiwa uzobona wena mama ngeke uzwathola
Yeah.
so mina didn't understand umjito oculayo ukuthi lo mjito lo uyacula uyahamba nje uyokabalasa lapho uyokabalasa lamantombazane that was me
Yeah.
yabo ngangisapota thathana kabi mina nje umuntu uyacula umfana hayi kahle wena but ke kade ngazi ukuthi ila nami
ugcina
ukula khona nezindaba zakithi so I started esikoleni.
Yeah.
Then ngacula esikoleni emakhwayeni then ngabuka ukuthi hayi lento le yabheda lento yabo
Quiet.
yes yabheda lento le mabethi ngeke wathola mama ngithi agcinena mama kini yabo but mase ngifike high school that when umculo ngiqale ukuthatha serious
Yeah.
ngoba ngangibuka ukuthi hayibo ngikwazi ukutrain ichoir iwine ama trophy
Yes.
that's big yabo mhlawumbe ngiyenze lento you understand na ngathi ukuyibamba buye ngabona waste of time uyabo. And then ngitexte njalo ngahlangana noJoy umbewani ubani kumakelweni wami besikhula sonke sidlala amabhayisikili so yena ungene eqala ku production ngokungena ngema and stuff so wathi uyazi mfethu ngendlela ocula kahle ngayo ngiyafisa ukuthi wenze something hey awungiyeke galezi zinto sayidlalela amabhayisikili la ngiright uyabo so wangincenga ukuthi no let's just do it uzobona mawuhluleke uzoyeka wangifaka kwiquiz leAfrica ukuthi icast yayenza ubhambatha kamancinci
yes
ayingifike lapha ethi indoda kuya actwa ke la kuyasinwa kuyacula ngithi mina ayisobona khona okay ngakwenza konke ngafike ngodlala iphoyisa khona ngidlale nje iphoyisa into enganama lines yabo ngazi ukuthi la ngicreate
uvelile
yabo ngithe ngisenza njalo bangishito but no awukwazi ukudlala iphoyisa dlala induna yenkosi wena
oh nice
yabo so I played uNkantolo hayi kwakwashintsha kwathiwa no usuzodlala ubhambatha manje you the main character of this the story yabo and I enjoyed kakhulu ukudlala umculo wesiZulu ngoba mina yami impilo isondelene kakhulu nezidalwa nemoya you understand so I enjoyed the spirit isikabhambatha ukuthi yo kanti khona into kanje you understand then yes kwaqhubeka ngaze ke ngaqala icontent ke imali ezipoki well imali ezipoki ke into engisayenza namanje most people don't understand ukuthi emhlabeni we have things esasingadalile ukuthi sizibone but sesiyakwazi ukuzibona uyabo through spirituality you understand uma ngiqala le journey yami imali ezipoki ngihamba nezinyanga ziyoshawa emgedeni you understand ngangacabanga ukuthi ingaba icontent you understand so ngelinye ilanga ngihleli no DJ uSpay Life weGagas ngiyamxoxela lezi zinto siyahleka siyaxoxa uthi yazi pyramid lento lezokwenza ube famous awuxoxe nje one story usifake ku TikTok yabo I just did that and hey ungamangala wena
ama numbers
savele story sathi 1 million views ayibo 1 million awu asengiyabona ayibo 80,000 followers within 3 days hey ngathi iyakhula lento yabo so ngaqhubeka nayo even today now sengibuyela umculweni ngiye ngama kuona futhi for a long time so when I met with uNoma I think it was more spiritual because mina I don't just do into mina mfethu ungayenza into wena uthi hayi lo ku grade la ziyabuya mina ngifike ngithi yaphetha lento because siyakhethela izinto sesikhethela
sumo
yabo and sonke sinayo leyo nto ukuthi phela abanye bethu babuye benza ukuthanda kwabo but uma ukona ukulalela imoya yakho ukwazi ukudlula ezintweni eziningi you understand mina I've won into eziningi yabo mina ngaze ngiye kaMlungu kuthiwa nginobasi engisebenza kuyena ozongithetha ngena ngo7 ngiphume yabo nalokho imini ubasi engishoyo ukuthi hayibo umsebenzini you understand I understood ukuthi ngubani I understood ukuthi ngidaleke kanjani you understand into ebalekile kubantu so when I met with uNoma I felt kumina ukuthi ngathi nanga umuntu you understand because uNoma ngamtshela ngathi let's go to the studio wathi nini ngathi manje because I felt ukuthi hayi ziyakhala la you understand and mina bengimuzwa ke ingane ikhuluma ngaye endlini noma idols azimukwa TV le mina wena mangisibanga phambi kwe TV ngizodlala iPlayStation you understand so ingane sajabula ubone uwinile uNoma in years later nangilo Noma you understand so uma ngithi siye studio I felt ukuthi okay maybe uNkulunkulu ungithumele kuyena for a reason or idalo zakubo or zakithi ngiyazazi ke zakubo sezike zafika so and then we made a beautiful song. You know, the first time Mr. Studio, we made a beautiful song. You understand? And it's easy to work with her.
Yeah.
Kulula, you understand her. Uyabo, siyasanganela so too. Siyafana, we like, uyabo. Mufica studio ngathi hayi labantu bayakhula lapha. You understand? And I still believe ukuthi there's still more. Esazoyenza. But kumina it's more about her. Not about me, because mina olwami ubizwe is different. So yena she's the talent. For me ukuthi ngibe khona empilweni ukuthi ngithathe leli talent ngilenze our very own Beyonce, and she's gonna be why thina singanaye owethu Beyonce yilezo sihlula to create our Beyonce. Uthando abantu abaningi bamvotela more than millions. We understand. Yena akas understand ukuthi uba akakafika to a point as understand ukuthi how powerful she is. So I'm just here to tell her ukuthi hey wena powerful kabi wena. You understand? Kuningi and I believe ukuthi masingabantu siphilisane kanjalo. Ungabi nomono ukuthi anginayo lento ayinikiwe so angeke alokhu usize ngalifaka khona usizo oluphethwe yimina oluzophakamisa lento ayiyona yena. You understand? Uthando, you understand? Thina bantu sesaluza uthando into esinawo mona ukuthi ungeke mina ngeke ngikhiphe lento le uzoba right lo muntu. You understand? Akhohlwa umuntu ukuthi ngesikhathi lo muntu ethi ngiyabonga ngaba ngizange ngeze ngibe la ukuba ngihlangananga noSibanibani. I think that's the best award you can ever get emhlabeni yabo, because lento award inkomishi izohlala nje ayikhuluma lutho, but umuntu mfethu engakuvulela masango yasezulwini ukuthi athi ngiyabonga washintsha isimo sami lesomndeni wami. You understand? Because the more she make it big, kunabantu abo50 azobaqasha. Labo bantu bazobe beqashwa uba nayo noma wena ngoba wena ophakamise lento le. You understand? So if isonke singakholelwa kule nto ukuthi ukusiza wena ukuyisiza mina, we can go far. Ngaphela lesiphithiphithi osibonayo sokuthi sixabane sodwa sabantu abamnyama ngoba we speak the different language. We understand? Maybe we'll sit down and try to work it ngenye indlela esikwazi ukusebenzisana. We understand? Because abo manje kuzoliwa. And abantu ababoni igazi lani kakhulu uzofa abantu abaningi kodwa I believe we still have a chance to fix it. Yabo ngothando. That's why I sing love songs, because I believe uthandweni kakhulu. You understand? I think uNkulunkulu wayithande kakhulu. That's why zonke ezinye izizwe ithanda ukuphazamisa iculture yethu, because they know culture yethu is the one, it is powerful. Yabo thina sikwazi ukukhuluma entabeni inyakazi inyoka intaba. Yabo sikwazi ukukhuluma emanzini kusuka uthungo lenkosazana. Isiphi singisizwe sikwazi ukwenza leyo nto? Asikho. But ngoba sibrainwashiwe sanikwa iTV, sabuka abantu beqabulana kuTV bedubulana ngeibhamu. That's what we know. Ukuthi siyazi ukuthi umuphathi isibhamu inkunzi. Kanti we loser. You understand? We loser mfethu. If uphuma la eminyango ukwazi ukulala kukhona umuntu uthe ngiyabonga, then you're a winner. We understand? So I believe ukuthi mina mfethu
ngishilo ngasikhona into ekhona today.
I believe mina ukuthi njoba nila anizange nihlanganiswe ngoba nihlakaniphile. Nihlanganiswe imoya ethizeni ethe le moya izokwazi ukuzwana kuphume something. If ningabambana you'll go far. Ngelinye ilanga sobe sizwe kuthiwa hayi nithola ichannel enkulu TV now ziyakhala. Yes, you understand? Because iqala la phansi ukuthi nibambisene kangakanani. Mina I know ukuthi noma so 2 hey bra give us a year. Wonke umuntu uzobekhuluma ngathi because I believe kule brand, I believe ukuthi kuzokwenzeka, and I know kuzokwenzeka. You understand? It's not about ukufaka imali entweni, but ukubambisana nemoya yenu nokuthi ngimunderstand asongena studio thina ukucaca ukuthi ayibangenile. And namanje uzozwa kubangenile. Yabo the video yaphuma next week. If video yaphuma next week it's going to be on high rotation ku TV. Angikubuzi ngiyakutshela. Yabo if ingadlalanga ka 5 ngosuku ubuye uzolanda kumina 20,000 ukunika. You understand? So I'm telling you ukuthi that's what's going to happen, because people have been waiting for her. And nengazi. Uyabo everywhere la ngamba khona noNomo uyabona abantu bamlindile
kakhulu.
Kunjena nje aphakamisa spirit.
Yazi bese kule industry.
Sorry before ungena njengoba defika bengemlinde ngamxhawulo. Ngawuthola qhubeka. Sorry.
No, it's fine. Kwi-industry nami ngeke ngiyibone leyo nto leyo. Yona into esilimaza kakhulu kwi-industry is that we don't indulge in our roles and be comfortable in our roles. Njengoba uchaza ukuthi uyayibona ukuthi wena umuntu they're supposed to put fire underneath ezokwazi ukuthi unale talent mina nginalokho because nami nje ngibeka imanager isikhathi side because bengibona ukuthi khona abantu abafuna mase sengifika ku-situation kwi-certain level mase nabo bafuna ukwenza into engenzayo begunde njengami khona nje wagunda njengami usefuna na ukucula so kubaluleke kangakanani ukuthi if ukuthi usebenza nomuntu for example njengoba nawe noNoma uyambona ukuthi okay uNoma nathi this is a specialty mina how do I not diverge from my role ngoba sesiyaphakama ngithi manje how do I not diverge mina from my role kuba sengibona ngathi sesiyaphakama so sengifuna nami ukuthi ngivele nami
yabo the moment ufuna into efana nomunye ufuna into yomunye umuntu that's when you destroy yourself because la uqale khona that's your position. I can never sing like uNoma. I can never have charisma yakhe. But mina ngokuba khona kwami la charisma yakhe izokhula. The time ikhula I am growing more bigger than uNoma because wonke umuntu uzothi Noma, how did you do it? No, pyramid. Yabo igama lami then it's going more higher. So umuntu I will get more attention. Ukuthi shoot this guy museduze kwakhe zonke into zakho ziyalunga kumini lokho kubalulekile
because nawe grace yakho le
you understand so no God sayiqala industry I'm 27 years ku industry I'm tired yabo I am tired I've tried ngabona yabo and the industry is the devil
big time
yabo usayina ama contract angalungile sekuthiwa no you know what ufuna uba grander awuze la yabo I've told the story of joining the bad side of impilo you understand where I was introduced to the devil side there's so much money there's so much fun but mfethu ayikho into ebhlungu njengokulahlekelwa ubuwena
ne
the only thing eyangenza ngaba saved from leyanto ungafuni ukulahlekelwa yimina because mina they told me the truth ukulalela uNkulunkulu khona and unawe njengoba sithi approach thina ukuthi sibona something kuwena esizokwazi ukuyisebenzisa ukudunga imiqondo yabanye abantu abangemuva abazokulalela wena you understand so emhlabeni kuningi mfethu if singathiwa
sakuveza
kungaba nzima kakhulu you understand mina ngikho against inkolo angikho against anything but ngingithule ngibuye ngithi bantu balahlekile thina salahlekelwa ilokho kubalekile kuthina sathatha okungabalekile kuthina silandela izinto engazona ezethu esingazange sasanikwa zona lokho sikunikwe kona sithi ubuthakathi you understand thina uNkulunkulu wasifundisa ukuthatha isihlahla usihlanganise sikwazi ukugeza you understand thina sikwazi ukuthatha ubisi sigeze ngalo uphile you understand abantu abamnyama bakwazi ukundiza ngemshanelo do you think uma bengathatha leyo technology yabo and use it in the positive side of ways angeke siphumelele you understand thina sikwazi ukuduma izulu ngaduma manje you understand kodwa lezi zinto sisebenzisa ngani ngokulimaza
omunye umuntu
you understand ukube sisebenzisa for ukusave okungokwethu ngabe uyefa you understand
mhlawumbe before siletonje sivale ngicabanga ukuthi ngifuna sikuleli gama leli because content ngiletha kulona pyramid why pyramid
upyramid mfethu kwaba uchuku ngajoina a secret society so the secret society I had fun because mina ngiyathanda ukuexperience izinto ezithizeni yabo mhlawumbe ngathi wena ungena kuzona ubonda ingeke la mina ngiyahlala ke lapho so there was a contract that I was supposed to sign ile ayithi we giving you this so much money but le mali ayizukondla umuntu umuntu izokondla wena and mina I'm like hayibo mina I'm doing this for my family ufuna ukushintsha isimo sasekhaya nezingane zami yabo so I won't sign but if ungayisayini shuthi uzohamba emhlabeni because now you know much athi mina I bring it on you understand all those pyramid signs and what and once when I mean I'll call myself pyramid because a pyramid is one of the structures mnganami esingasuswa ngisho nayikhukhula you understand it's the strongest structure zibe khona for years ayikho into mfethu enganyangazisa pyramid and uyibuka phezulu on point so now everything that I do is on point and you'll never shake me you understand so that's why I called myself a pyramid because I know that I'm stronger than anything ekhona nabo ngabahlula befika amademoni ebusuku kwenze yabo umuntu engangihlala naye will tell you ukuthi ngangalala zifika lezi zinto to take my life but abakwazanga ukuthatha because I knew ukuthi now ngisempini and lempi ngeba yiwini.
That's why. That's hence the reason why I was asking this question because man, into emile, into ethe.
Yeah. Ngiyakwenyaza pyramid. Ngisho
enomlando futhi
ngaphakathi kwe-pyramid there's so much power.
Yeah.
You understand? I-power yakho iyabhola ithi yabo umlilo. That's me. Hey. I'm still going to do big things before ngibuyele ekhaya kwelamathongo. Yabo. Baningi abantu abalindele ukusizwa ithina.
Yeah.
You understand? Fana into yenyanga nezangoma nemsamo nani. We have to talk about those things. Akumele abantu beyiqhilaza ngaleza zinto. You understand? There is light empilweni. uNkulunkulu wayidalaza ukuthi ijeni yakhe ithini. Ayikho into emeli kuvimbe mokholelwa kuwena na kuJehova. You understand? Ngisho imbuzi lekuthiwa ihlabe awuzelanga mhlawumbe uzohlaba imbuzi. uNkulunkulu wayekuthuma ukuthi uzokwenza something.
Yes.
So wena uphisa ulalelana ukuthi kufanele uhlabe imbuzi meyikhalile nithi hayi shuthi kuzwakele. Kuzwakele kanjani into enikhipha umphefumulo? Angisho kayikahlatshwe imbuzi kodwa there are things.
Yeah.
Ekufunele si yabo sibhekisise yabo nanokuthi ungathathi inyanga izokwenza umkhuba wakubo kini.
Umkhuba yeah.
Because ayifani lezi zinto. La ngizalwa khona mina ayishiswa impepho. Kodwa ngiyakhuluma nesidalo.
Yeah.
You understand? Njengoba ngihleli nawe nje ngikhulume ngithi nabo ubani kunje kuzokwenza ukuthi manje. And kuyenzeka.
Uyaconnect.
Wena ungalalela umuntu exhopha ngemntuthu. Kuningi. Yabo mfethu kuningi things that we should talk about. Yabo ugezwa kwabantu ukuthi ugeza mongenze njani. Na ungakwazi ukugeza udinga umuntu ukuthi ezokugeza. You understand? Akekho umuntu onganayo ipower over impilo yakhe. uNkulunkulu lesikhathi ekudala akakudala ngoba wedwa kudala nababili. There's you, there's this other person ongabonakala. Lo sidalwa sakho lo kugade every day. Lo ngafuna amanyala. You understand? Awukwazi ukuzolana nale ntombi nale uca sidalwa sakho sakhona.
Yo.
Sizohamba. Because when uyazingcolisa wena.
Yo.
You understand? So kuningi mfethu esinakhuluma but nje isikhathi sincane.
Yeah.
Ngelinye ilanga sokhuluma.
All right. Hey, Charles sesivala ufuna ukuthini?
No, I'm happy to chatting on these topics because I feel like the industry has a lot of darkness in it.
Cool.
Even though the universe was born from darkness, but we are the lights. And balekile ukuthi ama-artists azi umehluko between uxhopheka or ukulandela izwi laNkulunkulu. So ngicela ama-conversations lawa simele sibe nawo singababalekeli ngoba uningi even yonke into enzakala manje with GBV with signing contracts that's all demonic. And besinake
ukuthi umugqoko white no black ibubla uba muhle khona.
Hayi uba normal.
No, black.
Black.
Yeah. But ngokutshela ngelilanga ukuthi
mina yazi ngibuka ngokuthi white no black isikhathi esiningi uba umuntu nje noma akukho ukuthi ngifuna uba uyabukeka
nje black uyakuzothisa.
Uyakuzothisa yeah.
Yabo bese uyavela.
White
kuvela
uyakuveza.
Stars shine bright in the dark.
So ngiye ngithi mina ngelinye ilanga kufanele sikhulume ngalento ukuthi why did they twist the story?
Because the stars shine ebusuku.
Why did they twist the story? What if it darkness yona
the actual lights.
So you never know. Kuningi okujulile emhlabeni futhi singakwazi kodwa ucabanga na ubuka then uzobona ezinye izinto yabo but ke abantu aba-download come bafowethu the song is coming. Oh, the song is out.
It's out, yeah.
The video is coming next week.
Yes.
Yeah, and the CRPTs impela.
Yeah.
And there's
Pyramid,
other singles, the other
featuring Norma. Or
no, we're not featuring. It's a collaboration.
Oh, Pyramid and Norma.
Pyramid and Norma.
Nice. I like this thing of collaborating now.
Collaboration.
Collaboration. They're featuring.
And we're still gonna do more music. More whatever movies if we have to. We understand. I still wish to do an event as over nama Khumalo
Yes.
Yabo
Nice.
Khumalo Noma
Naima
Zandi. Yabo nginalelo phupho ukuthi ngiyenze ngelinye ilanga.
Khumalo. So move enjalo.
Sasokhala.
Okay.
Sasokhala.
Hayi siyabonga kakhulu bafethu. What an amazing episode. Sifunde kakhulu today yo from uNoma. bayakhumbula abanye nje bade 2 years la ekhaya kuthiwa unoma idols shuthi nje unesithakazelo unesibongo so noma idols baqawa okay so kumnandi kakhulu sesivala siyabonga ngiqhubeke nokusupport umsebenzi wethu omuhle esiwenzayo la kwe Creative Unplugged podcast and Our Child utholakala kanjani?
Tholakala on all social media platforms at Our Child Africa, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook ngisamile kancane but sikhona nathi Creative Unplugged Instagram na ku TikTok as well as YouTube. Please do subscribe.
Mabefuna abantu ukunibhuka noma befuna ingoma nitholakala kanjani
no mina ngiyatholakala lapha ku TikTok kwami u Pyramid Imali Yibhoki ku Facebook Pyramid Bulos Instagram it's Pyramid_Bulos so siyatholakala but ke khona sikuthu Sindi ke odile nayo
okay sizoyifaka information ya Sindi maybe there is an email or there is a number of a PR abantu bayibona njengamanje laphansi so siyajabula kakhulu bafethu ukwazi kwa usuku olumnandi ingoma enzosiperformela yona namhlanje kade siyilindile so angithi ngiyasithatheni lethuba lesisivalelisa emakhaya sithi siyabonga
bye.
Baby come to say impilo uthanda iyiphile kanjani ungekho ngempilo ungekho ay ngempilo ungekho baby come impilo uthanda iyiphile kanjani ungekho ngempilo ungekho ay ngoba idinga wena
ashona malanga wena baby uyala ngami uliphakadela waphula izithembiso wahyukumeza umoya wami ngoba manje sengihambile usubhizo uyancenga
impilo uthanda iyiphile kanjani ungekho sibona ngomopo ngiyazi ngikuphoxile mntana nomuntu but abelungu you will never know what you have until you lose it
and now you lost
ay ngiyazi ngidlalile ngawe mntana nomuntu namaphutha amaningi ngicela ubuya mntana nomuntu musuku ngishiya ngicela ubuya baby ngiphinda ngidlale ngothando lwakho
Sakshi baby, uyasithandwa sami.